Hello everyone, this is Sir Edwin, and today I'm gonna tell you about one of the most cool progressive peripherals features, Enderwire networks. It allows for users to build wireless networks that even can connect between dimensions with power of regular computer-craft wired network, and even more. So, let's begin. At first, you need to obtain some enraging metal that you forged from Irelium with some power of redstone in Enderwire. With some enraging, you will open a lot of pages about Enderwire network elements, and finally be able to craft most important pocket upgrade, Enderwire Network Manager. This upgrade will be your best friend in terms of network management. It allows you to create networks, remove networks, and add or remove elements from network. Take a note that now, to access Pocket Computer interface, you should crouching, because right and left clicking will be used in future. Currently, Enderwire has three network types. Public network. This network will see anyone on server and anyone can attach it. Encrypted network. This network will also can see anyone on server, but only player that know password can attach to this network. And private network. Last but not least, network type. Only player that created this network can access to this one. Most of your network should have this type. For this tutorial, I will create a public network called tutorial with simple methods. Okay. Also, you need to select this network. When you select that network, your Pocket computer will bound to this network, allows you to attach in-world element to this network. So, what you can do is configure a network. Let's start with some basic. There are three basic Enderwire sensors that can be used to achieve interactive environment: lever, button, and pressure plate. If they are attached to network, they will populate events like off and on. All the sensor has advanced variant that also will have the servers change. There is also a redstone sensor that will observe 4 inputs around. Take a note that this sensor can be placed not only at floor but also at wall or at ceiling. So let's create some simple event watcher here. Here we have the network connector that will expose events to connected computers and also allow you to configure some elements. So we take the Pocket computer and right click on Enderwire element to bind it to network. And we do the same with all of these levers and buttons. As you can see here, we writing a script with some code that just populate events. You can find the scripts on description or in code examples in manual. Now you can see when I click it, the lever, you can see here that lever is enabled and by who. Also same things with button. Sensors is good, but how Enderwire network can react with world, will you ask? To solve this problem, we have emitters. Emitters is block that can be configured with network connector to do something. Currently, we have redstone and light emitter. Redstone emitter is simple opposite to redstone sensor. It just emitted stone on 4 sides. Light emitter is more interesting. It allows you to change its light level and color. As you can see, we have here some cute setup of 9 light emitters. We will bind every of these emitters to network. And I have example script that will turn off or turn on these light emitters with lever, and with button it changes colors. You can find the script or in description or in code examples in manual. But I guess most powerful Enderwire element is Modem. Modem allows you to access peripherals that share it across Enderwire network. To share a peripheral, you need to attach it to network with peripheral sharing block and that's all. For example, we have here modem that attach it to computer. As you can see now, there's only one peripheral, some modem itself, but you can attach several remote peripherals, and now you will see attached it here. Modem also can be used as tutor and pocket computers upgrade. In this case, you will need to select network for connecting, like for Enderwire Manager. But when modem uses as upgrades, it can only be connected to interdimensional networks that require dimensional breaker to be attached. So we attach dimensional breaker to tutorial network. Take Enderwire tutorial and we'll attach it now to our tutorial network. You can see the tutorial attached. And now tutorial see all peripherals shaded of the network. Taking off the tutorial also can be exposed to network itself, but it costs a lot of fuel, and exposing consume fuel everything. So as you can see tutorial here. Also tutorial exposed modified peripheral that also allows you to inspect tutorial inventory itself. So that's all. Thank you for your attention and have a nice day with Enderwire network and progress peripherals itself. Good luck.